Hey folks, welcome to Backwoods Biker. This is Rocky. Today we're going to be looking at how to fix a mistake that a lot of guys have made. I got my Schrade FCHF9 and I was wearing it out working in the backyard and the rain caught me, so it got a little rusty. I know I've seen a lot of videos online about how guys will drop these into a pan full of vinegar. Kind of wasteful. So if it's not real bad, what you can do is take a little rag you got here, soak it in vinegar. Actually pre-cut this rag here so it'll fit. You're just going to wrap it right up. You can either use a rubber band, or in my case, I just took a little bit of paracord, took the strands out. Tie her off. If you're used to using 1095 knives, you know this will happen from time to time. As long as you catch it early, maintain your equipment, it's easy to fix. Once you got all the way tied off, all you got to do is let it sit for about an hour, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, so now we're back. We've waited about a little over an hour. Take this wrap off. You'll see here wherever the rust was at, not sure if you can see this or not, it'll almost look like it bubbled up a little bit. Come back. Get it all wiped down. And just like that, your rust is gone. It may appear to be a little discolored. Don't worry about it. If it happens to have a coating on it, the coating may come off a bit too. Not a big deal. The important thing there is your rust is gone. So all you do now, wash it down, dry it again, and put your edge back on. You're always set. Thanks for watching Backwoods Biker. If you look down at the bottom of the screen there, you hit like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, you ride free and you live free.